met with a number of families throughout the years who they have like a little quick update they want to make to their plan. Maybe somebody got married and they changed their last name, or they were giving $10,000 to Johnny and now they only want to give $5,000 to Johnny. And so what they do is they pull out their pen or their pencil and they cross off the change and then they write what they want instead. And that is something that you never, never want to do. That little correction to your will or trust may seem benign, but it can create huge problems when people die. It can create disputes on, did they mean to change their will or trust, or are they just taking notes? We don't know. In order to have an amendment, having a valid change to your will, it needs to be witnessed by two different people. So that is not what you should do. Also, I've met with people throughout the years, and in preparation to them meeting with me, what they do is they start writing on their will or trust on what changes they want made. And so this is what I recommend. First, if you want to make changes and you want to kind of get yourself organized before we meet, you should take out a piece of paper or photocopy your will and then write the changes on the photocopy or write them in a side document. Section 2.1, I want this change made. It's good to tabulate what sections you want to change instead of just kind of writing it down, because that'll help us find that section really quickly when we meet. And then the second thing I'd like to point out is that our firm has a really special program called the Estate Plan Tune-Up Program. And in this program, we will meet with clients who have their will or trust with us every 3 years for up to an hour to go over their will or trust. So we can talk about, does this plan still work with your current situation? Is it up to date with the current laws? And then if changes need to be made, we can provide you a fixed price on what it would cost to make those updates. And so instead of trying to make these updates on your own in writing, it's best to meet with us and we can talk about, and if someone needs to meet with us more frequently than every 3 years, like maybe they signed their estate plan in 2023, but then things change and they need to update in 2024, they're not sure, then they can meet with us and we charge a flat $99 for an hour-long appointment to go over their plan and can provide in that appointment if we recommend changing things, and if so, what would the cost be? Thank you so much for listening today. If you have an estate plan and time has passed and you're interested in meeting with us to learn if things might need to be updated, give us a ring at 507-252-8997. Thank you.